Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. Viewmaster Reel 1, Scene 1.
There's the River Queen coming in for a landing. Oh, shucks, I just can't go to school today. It's such a fine spring day and everything.
Picture 2.
You're at Paul making a paint the fence, huh? It surely is fun. Yeah? Let me paint some. I'll give you my crystal glass stopper. Well, all right.
Picture 3.
It sure gives me satisfaction knowing what pleasure I'm giving these fellas. Letting them paint the fence like this. You're doing fine, fellas.
Picture 4.
Tom Sawyer, where are you? Now he knows good and well he's to paint my fence. Well, I'll be. It is painted. A true coat.
Picture 5.
Hi, Ma. Hey, Tom. They're burying old House Williams today. Finally died. Let's hitch a ride. Old man gotta be what he's born to be.
Picture 6.
They buried Hoss Williams here today. Tom, just look at that. It's Injun Joe, Mark Potter, and Doc Robinson. Looks like they're digging up the grave.
Picture 7.
Get back, you scum. No. Oh! He killed him! Injun Joe killed Doc Robinson! He'll kill us if he finds we know.
Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1.
What's bothering you, Tom? If you had swore to keep mum about something and somebody was in trouble and you couldn't tell, I don't understand.
Picture 2.
Injun Joe's lying to the court. Muff didn't kill Doc. I seen it. Injun Joe stabbed Doc.
Picture 3.
Injun Joe is escaping through the window. After him. I'll demand a large reward hosted for that killer, dead or alive.
Picture 4.
Injun Joe is going to find us and cut our throats. We can take my raft over to the island and hide out till they catch him.
Picture 5.
Lord be praised. Here's Tom and Huck walking into their own funeral. We thought you drowned. No, ma'am. We've been hiding out.
Picture 6.
It's picnic day in Hannibal, and what with Tom and Huck back with us safe and sound, we're going to do it up right. More food and fun than you can handle.
Picture 7.
The three-legged race is started. Come on, Becky, run faster, faster. I'm going as fast as I can, Tom Sawyer.
Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1.
All right, now everyone, we want to read your last picture of this fine group of picnickers. Now you hold steady while I count to 30. Watch the birdie. 1, 2.
Picture 2.
There's an underground river in this cave with the best drinking water in Missouri. It's over there. Oh, there's Injun Joe.
Picture 3.
I'm gonna kill you, Tom Sawyer. You'll never get out of here alive. Oh, Tom! Don't worry, Bertie.
Picture 4.
I got you now, Tom Sawyer. You're dead. Becky, Tom, are you there? Help's coming, Becky. There they are. Injun Joe's got him. After him.
Picture 5.
Look, somebody threw their torch at him. He fell over the ledge. Tom, you're getting the reward for the capture of Injun Joe. Congratulations.
Picture 6.
Tom split the reward with Huck and Muff Potter. He's a fine boy. I know, Judge. It's awful nice of you to take Tom on a trip to St. Louis for 2 whole weeks.
Picture 7.
There's Huck on his raft. Huck! Hey, Tom! Will Huck ever change? I don't know. A man's gotta be what he's born to be, I reckon.
We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up